Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
Little Krishna Horror Cave. In a peaceful village of Vrindavan, where little Krishna lived with his friends, there was a mysterious cave that no one dared to enter. The villagers often spoke about it in hushed tones, calling it the Horror Cave. It was said that anyone who ventured inside never returned. One day, little Krishna and his friends were playing near the forest when they accidentally came close to the entrance of the horror cave. His friends, filled with fear, urged Krishna to leave, but Krishna, with his ever-present smile, was curious. He decided to explore the cave and assured his friends that there was nothing to fear. As Krishna entered the cave, a strange chill filled the air. The inside of the cave was dark, and shadows seemed to dance on the walls. Despite the airy atmosphere, Krishna remained calm, his flute in hand. As he ventured deeper, he noticed strange markings on the walls and heard faint whispers that seemed to echo through the cave. Suddenly, a terrifying figure appeared before Krishna. It was a massive, shadowy demon with glowing red eyes and a deep, menacing voice. The demon growled, "Who dares to enter my domain?" Krishna, unafraid, played a soothing tune on his flute. The melody echoed through the cave, calming the air around them. The demon, instead of attacking, paused and seemed to be enchanted by the music. The shadows that once danced aggressively began to sway gently, as if they were entranced by Krishna's song. Krishna smiled and asked the demon why he lived in the cave, scaring the villagers. The demon, now softened by the music, revealed that he was once a guardian spirit protecting the cave's sacred treasures. However, after centuries of loneliness, he had become bitter and angry, scaring anyone who came close. Krishna, with his divine wisdom, offered the demon a chance for redemption. He suggested that the demon could once again become the protector of the cave, but this time, instead of scaring people away, he could guide those who are pure of heart to the sacred treasures within. The demon, moved by Krishna's kindness, agreed and vowed to change his ways. As Krishna left the cave, the once dark and ominous place was now filled with a warm, golden light. The villagers, seeing Krishna emerge unharmed, were amazed and relieved. From that day on, the horror cave was no longer a place of fear but a place of wonder, where only the pure of heart could enter and be guided by the reformed guardian. And so, little Krishna once again brought peace and happiness to Vrindavan, turning a place of fear into one of hope and light.